Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko B70C. It's called a Spring Bronze Weatherstrip. This piece has a slight curve to it, so just try to forgive that a little bit. It's a 6-inch sample from the factory, so it came in a little bit curved. Although it would have a slight curve to it because these ship in a roll generally, but you know, when you nail that down straight, it straightens right out, obviously. So the profile of it looks like that. You've got this flattened off version here, or this flattened off feature to it here, and then the spring bronze sits up at this angle. This is, the B stands for architectural bronze. The 70 stands for what this is. The B70 means it's a bronze piece of it's a piece of spring bronze made of bronze weatherstrip. The C refers to the 1.1 overall width of the material versus the other available widths that Pemko has. So this is the 1.1 material, okay, intended to be installed onto wood frames to be nailed down through this portion of the flange. Okay, this material is extremely effective, extremely long-lasting, that's for sure. Just trying to get an idea of what the offset is on this. You know, you're going to be somewhere in the range of 3/16 of an inch, you know, from where we've got a flattened off portion here to the top of this. And this material will compress down, you know, basically flat, you know, to allow it to compress down to a gap of, you know, a little bit smaller than 1/8 of an inch, maybe 3/32 of an inch. But a lot of people like this material because, well, it's what they have in their home, and it's existed, you know, it's worked flawlessly for years and years and years. And while the material, you know, can degrade over the lifespan of a door and frame, generally what happens, you know, what brings this stuff to a premature demise is unintentional damage. You might be taking furniture through the door and catch part of this material and kink it back. So if people are replacing it, it's not because it wears out as much as it might be unintentionally damaged. And also people, if they're doing a historic, not necessarily historic, but they want the new stuff to be like the stuff that's there now, and the stuff that's there now might have spring bronze weatherstrip. People opt for this material. It's 8/1000ths of an inch thick, so it's very thin material. And again, it's held on with nails, and nails would be how you'd go about attaching that. And you can order nails separately. Available from Pemko in a 100-foot roll only. So if you've got, you know, 3-foot by 6'8" doors, you're going to have roughly 16.5 feet per door. So you'd be able to do, you know, 6 doors or so with this sort of material. Is that, let's see here now. Yeah, you know, roughly 6 doors worth if you had typical door sizes with one roll of this material. If you have any questions on the Pemko number B70C Spring Bronze Weatherstripping or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.